Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location and time you're watching us. All right, as you can see, this is Niger Privacy Tips, and as you can see, we have changed our name from Niger Privacy Tips to the Chiku. So, today I'm going to be walking you guys through on how I have made $1,789 from Adsterra using this simple trick. It's actually very simple, but you really need to pay good attention. You need to follow me up step by step for you to achieve this. I'm very pretty much sure that if you follow me up, you're going to achieve this same exact result. So what I do is, I teach how to make money online, how to create mobile app, and also the tricks in which you can use to work on your Adsterra account to make money. All right, and don't forget that we have so many other things that we do here, but mainly basically we teach how to make money online, especially Adsterra, how you can create your mobile app, integrate your ad network such as AdMob, then you make money on the go, right? So, but today I'm going to show you how I made this particular money here, all right? So, we are going to be using a ChatGPT to generate the prompt. Look at it here. Look at what I gave ChatGPT. I said I want to create a modern and professional landing page slash website for distribution of lenacapavir injection in Nigeria. We all know about this lenacapavir. If you don't know it, you can just Google about it, read about it, because I'm not going to talk about that right now. Because if I talk about it, it's going to take us time, right? I'm not going to be reading everything here. You can check the comment section of this video to get this prompt. Just edit it to your test, and you're good to go. After when ChatGPT gave me this, I copied the prompt, then I moved to DeepSeek. This DeepSeek is the AI that helped me to create the website or the landing page. You can see it here. But there is one important thing you need to know about this prompt here on ChatGPT. For you not to make mistakes or suffer while integrating your Adsterra direct link. Look at what I did. I told GPT that I will be needing global linking. Do you understand? So I want every clickable button or clickable area on the website to be controlled by one single global link variable. This means all the buttons, WhatsApp button, get yours button, image slash buttons under the medicine section, sidebar links, call to action section will be controlled with just one single link. Do you understand? So what that means is this. Once I integrate my Adsterra direct link in just one particular section of the code, it will not control all other parts. Do you understand? So you just need to pay much attention here, because if you didn't get this right here, you've missed out. Maybe while running ad, you may be complaining that your advert is not compatible, whereas you are the one that caused the whole problem. So now let's go to DeepSeek. Remember, I told you I pasted the prompt here, and DeepSeek now generated all this code. So now I'm going to copy this code from here, and then let's preview the code and see how it will look like with one compiler. This is online code compiler. You can see they have so many programming languages here, but here we're going to make use of HTML. All right, so now we're going to remove all this here and then paste that code. Then after that, you're going to click on run to see how the website looks like. Okay, you can check it here. Look at the website. Look at it. Access free lenacapavir injection distribution in Nigeria. You can see it here. Get yours now. Check web view. Do you understand? If you click any of this, it's going to redirect you to our Adsterra direct link. Though we've not integrated that, we're going to do that after now. All right, and just showing you how the site or the landing page looks like. Look at it here. It's actually very simple. Look at the chat button here. All these chat buttons here, all of these clickable links here will be controlled by one particular button. Do you understand? Well, I mean link. All right, look at it. It's very simple. Look at it. It's actually very simple. Got it. Got it. So now we're going to edit this particular code so that we can put our Adsterra direct link. So now I will go to my dashboard. Here is my Adsterra. Then maybe If you don't have a website, what you just need to do is to click at this smart link here. Then you scroll down, you're going to see this is my own active link. So in your own case, you may like to add a new one, and you're going to click this add smart link here. Then you may like to use mainstream because mainstream may work or convert very very well with this type of landing page. But the problem there is that you're not going to be having a higher CPC, and the higher the CPM, um, the the more you earn money, right? So that's the reason why I always advise you leave it at this adult, okay? But basically, the normal level should be mainstream, okay? So when you click this adult, you can click this add so that it will now show here. But sometimes when you create a new smart link, this status may be pending, so you need to allow it like let's say 5 minutes for it to become active like this. Then click this copy link here, this copy button. Then let's go back to the editor. So if you check very very well, you will find out that we need to locate the particular point where we need to put in our direct link. This is web status checker, and this is delivery fee calculation, scroll review, intersection, back the top, okay? We keep checking close sidebar, okay? Okay, this is global linking. Here is it. We're going to replace this link with our Adsterra direct link. Once you paste this here now, every other part of this particular site, any part that is clickable, any button, anywhere, will be controlled by this particular Adsterra direct link that we integrated right now. Okay. So what else are we going to do so that this particular site will be available for users? This is one compiler, just an online editor. So what we do is you click and highlight everything, you copy it, make sure you've integrated your Adsterra direct link here before copying, otherwise you may not get it right. Then go to blogger.com, create account, and then you create a new blog from here. So we're also going to put in the title. Let's copy the title from here. And paste it. And then click on next. Let's paste again. Let's paste again. And then make sure the address is available. Okay. Then click on save. Hello guys, use this opportunity to subscribe to this channel. Use this opportunity to subscribe to this particular channel because showing you all these steps is not easy. You're not going to pay me. The only thing that you need to do for me is just to subscribe to this particular channel. Alright. So this is it. Yeah. If you click on view blog, this is how it should look like. Do you understand? But we have not integrated the code. You understand? So let's go back. For you to do that, you're going to click this theme. You click on the theme. Is there something wrong? Maybe we reload. Look at it there. Here is the customization. You need to pay attention here, else you may not get it right. What you really need to do right now is to click this drop down button here and then switch to first generation classic theme. Okay, and switch without a backup. Click on it. Then you will now notice that this particular button changed to edit HTML. So you're going to click this edit HTML and then wipe everything here. Select all, remove it, and then paste this particular code from here. Copy this code and then paste it here. Alright, then click on save. Look at this save. Click on it. Now update successful. Then let's go and check the website now and see how it will look like. Let's click on view blog again. You can see the website is now active. Look at it. Very simple. Very very simple. Very very simple. Now let's test to know if this button is working. All these buttons. Now when you click on get yours, it will take you to look at it here. Effective profit. Look at it. Redirecting. Do you understand it now? And finally, the person will now watch your ad, maybe take some actions, then that's it, make your money. And any button here, almost everything here, literally everything here, is being controlled by the Adsterra link. Okay, so that is how I was able to generate that this amount of money. Look at it here. This is actually very simple, but you really need to follow me up. All right. So now the next thing that we need to do now is pushing traffic down to this particular landing page so that you'll be able to make money. Because without traffic, you're not going to see even a single dollar. Okay. Now, how are we going to do this? We're going to make use of either Google Ads or we use Facebook Ads. Okay, so it's very simple. I'm going to show you guys how to set up Google Ads and also Facebook Ads. But basically, I use Facebook Ads to do my own. But in case if you may prefer Google Ads, then I'm also going to do a video on that. Alright, so that's the main reason why you don't need to subscribe to this particular channel right now, because you may not like to miss the next video. Alright, so that is everything for now. I'm the Richiku. See you in our next video.